Greetings guys, La Architect here and welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can keep on making more videos for you guys. Anyway, so last week someone asked me how to do a scalable sectional perspective. However, that's not possible to be done on Revit. The only section that can be scaled on Revit are the normal sections, like these. You can scale this, you can make them whatever scale you want them to be. However, what I'm going to show you this week is how to actually render a sectional perspective. First of all, I'm going to show you how to make a sectional perspective using Revit, and then I will show you how to render it. So we're pretty much just going to make it from a 3D view and then render it in cloud or using the Revit computer force itself. Anyway, let's get to it. So to make a sectional perspective, you have to come to View. Under View, 3D View, you select Camera like you would for any other 3D views, and then you make your perspective view. Alright, let me make mine. Alright, so this is it, and then you adjust it to your liking. Okay, that's more like it. And then you come to the left in the properties, you scroll down until you see section box, and then you click on section box and apply. You should see this box here. You select it. Let's say I want to make a section, you have to move it to the left. You select this control and move it to the left like this, slowly. Keep on checking until the section is to your liking. Right now I don't like what I'm seeing, so I'm gonna bring it further. Alright, I think this is more like it. Alright, let me go to consistent color. Yeah, this is more like I just want to adjust the view just a little bit. Let me move it and see what it gives me. Alright, I think it was fine before. Okay, now that we have our sectional perspective, all that's left to do is to render it. Actually, rendering it is quite simple. You could render it in the computer if you wanted to. You could also do it in the cloud. I would recommend you to do it in the cloud because it's faster. Remember, Revit is a CPU based renderer, so it doesn't matter if you have a graphic card, it's not gonna speed it up. So I would really recommend you to render it in cloud. So before I render it in cloud, I just want to fix the lighting a little bit to my liking. So I'm gonna click below here in the rendering dialog, and then exterior sun only. Well, that's fine for the sake of the tutorial. I'm gonna keep the sun at the top right. Alright, just for the tutorial. Okay, and then I'll come to View. You click on Render in Cloud. Alright, continue. Make it still image, yeah. Standard, I'm gonna go with final. Large image, 2.25 megapixels. I'm gonna go with advanced. Email me when it's done. Okay, so now it's rendering. We'll just have to wait. The advantage of rendering in cloud is that you could just continue it in the background and keep on working in the rest of your with the rest of your project. It's not gonna interrupt anything. However, if you decide to render it using the computer, what it's gonna do, let me just show you. If you decide to render it using the computer, you see, you won't be able to do anything to the project until the render is done. And that's not very efficient, you see. You're gonna waste a lot of time waiting for that. You see, it's already slowing down my computer. So I'm just gonna stop it. Well, plus the cloud rendering quality is much more better than this. Look at this quality. I wouldn't want to present this to anyone. So I'm gonna get out of here and just go check on my cloud rendering. Alright, let me check on my rendering. Okay, it's done now. View images. Alright, let's wait for it and download it and see what it looks like. Alright, see, this one looks much more better than the other one. So let me download it download image as a transparent background, PNG. Let me just open it. Alright, as you can see, this looks much more better. If you want, you could have downloaded it with the how do I call it, with the clouds behind and all of the things you wanted to do. Okay, that's done. Alright guys, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.